Head Department of English. Welcome you, ma'am. As we gather here today to conclude this insightful journey, let us reflect on the meaningful interactions, valuable insights and immense learning we have experienced over past few days. This program, designed with the aim of equipping educators like us with advanced knowledge, innovative methodologies and tools to empower our teaching and research capabilities, and I believe it has truly delivered on its promise. Throughout this FDP, we have had a privilege of engaging with renowned experts, thought innovators and research persons who have shared their expertise and inspired us with their groundbreaking work in empowering academic transformation through data science. Their contributions have undoubtedly enriched our understanding and broadened our perspectives. First and foremost, I would like to express my gratitude today our esteemed chief guest, keynote speaker and resource person, Dr.Konda Krishna, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, School of Computing, Mohan, Babu University, Andhra Pradesh. Welcome you, sir. For gracing this occasion with their presence, your expertise and insights will undoubtedly inspire and empower all the participants throughout the program. Welcome you, sir. Today's session marks the culmination of this program, but it is by no means the end of our learning journey. The knowledge, experience, and connections we have gained here will serve as stepping stones for us to innovate in our respective fields and classrooms. I would like to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to the organizing committee and volunteers who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure the success of the program. The participants who have actively engaged, shared insights and contributed to the vibrant discussions that made this FDP truly collaborative experience. Let us make the most of the final moments, engaging deeply and carrying forward the knowledge we have gained here into our academic and professional pursuits. Once again, a warm welcome to you all, and I thank you for being part of this program. Let us finish strong, and I hope this FDP has been a rewarding experience for everyone. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing how each of us implements the learning from this program in our future endeavors. Once again, I welcome you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'd like to invite our resource person, Dr. Krishna, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, School of Computing, Mohan Babu University, Andhra Pradesh. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Madam, can I share my presentation?
Yes, sir.
Madam, screen visible to everyone?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay, madam. Am I audible to everyone, madam?
Audible, sir.
Okay, madam. Thank you. Thank you for everyone. And today's session, I can discuss about only smaller things about the how you can transform education through the data science and what are the challenges or issues facing the world traditional system, and now we are transforming the data science into the education platform. Our title is the Empowering the Academic Transformation through the Data Science. How you can transform the old traditional system to the new systems. What are the facing challenges in nowadays? How you can identify the student performance in the different aspects, and how you can analyze the data using by the data science tools and machine learning tools and NLP tools, and what are the different activities, methods you can implement to change the academic or transformation using by the some data science tools. Basically, data science is an interdisciplinary field, but it can mainly providing the insights through the data analysis. The basic analysis, how you can analyze the data using by the previous data performances, how educators or students, how you can identify the different platforms and using by the different data analysis and covering the various amounts of data, uncovering the patterns, trends, and informing the teaching practices, how you can implement the large amount of data and uncovering the patterns and trends. By utilizing the data analytic tools, you can gain the clear picture of the student performance and engagement. That is the best basic feature. You can transform the data science into our academic structure. You can analyzing the data very easily. You can get the very clear picture about the student performance and engagement activities. And this is our structure and following of the traditional systems, understanding the academic landscape. Our academic structure is not a static one. It is a day by day, everyone it can changing and learning the academic skills and new technologies, adapting the new methods and trends and everything. And it can influence by some technological and societal changes and education needs and everything. And based upon that, you can importance of the data-driven strategies in the education. How you can given the importance of the decision making by implementing of these some technologies and changes and needs. It can cover so much of data-driven approaches. It enables the educators and informing decisions about the learning outcomes. What are the getting outcomes and how you can predict the future trends and methods based upon the previous historical data. Based upon that, you can understanding our academic structure. It is not a static one. It is a dynamically changing and implementing the decisions and day by day using by some extraordinary data things and technological things and everything. And these are some of the challenges facing by our old traditional education models and everything. And lack of the personalization. That means student interaction is not there in the old traditional systems. And nowadays also presently some of the, so many of the institutions, universities following the old assessment methods only that are the ineffective. We can teach the students entire semester 6 months or 90 days, but we can assess their performance and skills based upon the theoretical exams like 3 hours or 1.5 hour examinations only. Based upon that examination time, 3 hours only, based upon 3 hours examination, you can analyze the student's skills and performance and everything. What you have taught in the entire 6 semester time, you can analyze based upon their 3 hours examination only. That is the very, very ineffective assessment method. And present days also you can use that type of examinations in universities or institutions and colleges, everything. In my personal opinion, you can change our entire academic structure using by some assessment methods and effective tools. And effectively utilizing some data analytical tools and any other perspective of tools, we have to engage the students and interactively, and they're improving their schools very easily using by our data science tools and everything. And immediate engagement. You cannot engage the students in a classroom in limited way. That is the main drawback of in the traditional education models. Lack of personalization and ineffective assessment methods and limited engagement. And now converting the data science into the academic transformation. And nowadays, and everyone know what's meant by data science. And data science, it is a following the some scientific methods, algorithms, systems to derive knowledge and insights from the both structured and unstructured data. That is the basic definition of data science, and it can follow the main algorithm is the role of algorithms. In the data science plays a very crucial role in the role of algorithms and identifying the significance of the data analysis. It can plays the very crucial role in the data science part. Data analytics or data analysis and predictive analytics, they are the mainly playing of the crucial role in the data science to transforming the academics. And it is a interdisciplinary nature. That means it can follow the statistics. What are the given student statistics in the different fields? What are the different ideologies? What are the student interests in the different fields and activities? So like such as statistics, and involves the collection of data and analyzing the student performances and interpretation of the student data and presentation, organization of data, and everything easily done by our data science tools and approaches. And it is a combination of the machine learning and AI and NLP and deep learning and techniques and everything. These are some of the basics of the data science. You can implementing our academic structure, you can improve the student performance very lot. And you can analyze the student data very easily also, comparing to the old traditional systems. And promoting the data-driven decision making. You can take the decision making very easily. According to the data analytics, according to the student performances, what are the outcomes? Based upon that outcomes, we can allocate the new ones and allowing for the optimization of the curriculum design. Based upon the student interests and needs, you can change our curriculum design very easily based upon our data analytic performances, and resource allocation and student support mechanisms, and very easily. That is the main advantage of the data science implementing to our academic transformation. We can get the data-driven decision makings very easily. That means we can develop the curriculum designs very easily. And these are some of the data decision making in academics. Based upon that, we can follow some academic strategies and improve the resource allocation. What are the allocations using by our students or faculty, management, and based upon that, we can easily allocating of their budgets and investments and more effective allocations to the funds to organizing the programs and innovation activities, and very easily, and given by the very highest impact, utilizing of the optimizing the resources and utilizing the resources very effectively and efficiently. And next one is the impact on the curriculum development. How you can design and implement some student learning patterns and preferences, and previous days, and some of the, so many of the institutions and universities has followed some old methods and previous some assessment methods, and everything is a old ones. Now we can converting in and implementing our academic structure and our NEP, new education policy also is there in nowadays. Based upon that NEP, you can defining of the structure and designing and calculating and modifying, and everything is done by our data science tools, and everything's very easily. And enhancement of the student support services and everything. That means we can identify who are in the weak students. That means underperforming students in the classroom or lab activities. Easily identifying our data science tools and decision making approaches. That is the enhancement of the student support services and everything. Their performances, engagements, and schools can implement the targeted interventions and improve the student success and retention, and everything done by easily using by some of our data-driven decision making in the academics approaches to converting the traditional to our data science approaches. And some of the benefits to using by the data science educators or students. Their potential of data to enhance in the teaching and learning practices. First one is using by the efficient data analysis tools. Based upon these tools, we can analyze the student data enabling them to their insights from the various metrics. What are they're lacking of in the classroom activities? What are they lacking of in the lab activities? By using these data analysis tools, we can easily analyzing the student performances, identifying their needs, and identifying their expectations, and what are the activities done by the previous ones and present ones and future ones, using these data analysis tools and very easily, and tracking the student progress. What are in the lacking? I mean, tracking about our student performances in the examinations point of view, or lab activities point of view, or any classroom activities. In the, what is the status? Are there the behind in the progress? Are there future in the progress? Or what is the different status of the student performance and everything? And identifying the areas for improvement. Based upon the analyzing the data, you can identify the different trends and methods. And what are the struggling students? Some of the students in the week come with some of the activities, and some of the students are better than in the some other students, and good performance in the evaluation with some other activities. Based upon that, you can identifying the key areas and individual ones key low points and high points and everything. You can gain the personal intention of the individual students also very easily. How you can identify some areas for the improvement of the student performance and engagement like that activities, and enhancing the instructional strategies. Based upon that, our analyzing the data, based upon the data statistics, we can analyze and teachers can refine their strategies, and changing of the strategies are tactics and our classroom learning methods, teaching practices. Our also faculty also can improve their performances, and what are they lacking in the faculty teaching methodologies, and they have to identify. Based upon that, you can adapting the new ones and new methods and using by the effective ICT tools to improve your faculty skills based upon that, and you can improve the student skills and engaging the students in a classroom activity very effectively and efficiently using by this our data science tools and AI tools effectively in the classroom teaching or lab room teaching. Identifying the trends in the student performances. What are the student expectations? What are the student interests? Mainly focusing on that student interest. Based upon that, you can easily engage in the students in the classroom and lab rooms. What are their interests to perform, in which subject areas they are interested, and which subject areas they are lacking in the behind the performances. Based upon that, you can identify the trends according to the student point of view and student perspective. Based upon that, we can easily analyze the student data and improve the student skills and engaging the students in a classroom very effectively. And what is meant by predictive analytics tool in the data science point of view? Based upon the historical data and previous data, you can make the and analyzing the data in a future predictions and future prediction outcomes. What are the learning outcomes? We are implementing the previous data methodologies and tools and everything. That is called as a predictive analytics. We can predict the future trends and outcomes based upon our previous actions and past executive data. In the context of education, it helps in the identifying the potential student performance trends. Based upon the previous student historical data and previous semester, based upon the previous semester analysis, what are the students behind on the lacking on the different subjects, are they lacking of their progress, you can identify easily. Based upon the historical data and previous data, based upon that, you can identify the future trends and improving the student performance very lot. These are some of the personalized learning paths to implement in our structures, academic structure. Education experience tailored to meet the unique needs of each student and enhancing the engagement and effectiveness of the personalized learning paths, implementing the student point of view and educational point of view, institutions point of view and faculty point of view. We have to improve their personalized learning paths and their experiences based upon their experiences. You can gain some knowledge. Then you can implement their knowledge into and practicality. And how to improve our curriculum design with the data insights based upon the available data and based upon the historical data or previous data, how you can improve our present and future curriculum designs. These are some of the implemented strategies to follow. Then you can implement our curriculum design very easy. Effective teaching strategies identified. In teaching methodologies, you can identify the effective and implement the teaching methodologies very easily. That is playing a very crucial role in identifying the most effective teaching strategies. Data insights, that means data analytic paths. How you can data analyzing. Based upon the analyzing only, you can identify our best teaching strategic methods. And next one, how to enhancing the curriculum based on findings. How you can finding the required data. And curriculum design can be significantly leveraging by our data findings. You can identifying some key roles in the data analytics part. What are the key role of our area of the data sites? That is called as enhancing of the curriculums and creating the relevant learning experience and everything. You can create a student point of view. You can grab the student attention to listen to our classroom very effectively and doing the programs very effectively in the lab room. That is creating of a effective environment to learn the students. This is comes under our machine learning techniques. You are implementing the education point of view. It has the analysis of the educational data point of view. You can use the machine learning techniques and it can identify the uncovering patterns and predicting the insights of the data. It can based upon our historical data and student performances. It can improve the future trends and enhancing the personalized learning and everything and improving the operational efficiency methods and everything. It can improve our operational efficiency. That means optimizing the resource allocations, effective usage of resource allocations, when time and what time we have to use the different points of the resources and different places that can be effectively given by our machine learning tools and data science tools, improving the operational efficiencies and everything. Analysis and patterns, insights and learning paths and operational resources and everything given by our machine learning techniques and tools for implementing some of the new techniques and technologies. How you can analyze based upon the student feedback. In our data analytics or data analysis, student feedback is one of the key point and it can play the key role for analyzing the student feedback also. Based upon the different point of view and different perspectives, you can take the feedback from the students. Based upon that only, you can change our academic structure, our teaching methods and everything. It plays a very crucial role in our data science part, analyzing the student feedback and the different points of and different effective factors. These are some of the best resources and implementing of the data science for the academic administration point of view. And streamlining the process. Using by the data science tools and effective modern tools, it can streamlining our management or institution methodologies and everything. It can optimizing the administrative workflows and automation. It can easily done by the automation works and easily everything. It can streamlining our process methods and management techniques and everything. And it can also improving the resource management. That means academic administrations can gain the insights into the utilization, identifying the areas, how you can improve their infrastructure, providing the best facilities to the students and faculty to implement the data science technologies and methodologies and everything. And it also improves enhancing the decision making. Based upon that, our data science tools and data analytics part, it can very play a crucial role in the decision makings. It can improve our administration, analyzing trends and outcomes and very effectively. And overall impact. In academic administration, you can using by the data science tools, it can gaining by the some academic results in the efficient operations and better allocation of the education resources and everything. How you can build the effective and learning environments. First thing is you can analyze the different student needs. Based upon that, you can build the effective learning environment. And next one, you can identify the promoting the equitable access to the educational resources. Is equal access to the resources such as textbooks and technologies and learning materials and everything. Access to the everyone and students and faculty and every non-administration faculty and everyone, it has accessible to the everyone. And next one, you can fostering a culture of diversity and inclusion in the academy. How you can create the effective atmosphere, student grab the student attention. Based upon that, creating our effective environment. That means we are providing the beautiful infrastructure to the students' learning point of view. They can also attract based upon our atmosphere. You can create the beautiful atmosphere and architecture to the learning environments. These are some of the case study steps we have to follow in data science to have to using by the academic institutions and transforming the education through the institution. We have to best strategy is the enhancing the student performances and personalized learning experiences, curriculum development and resource allocation and teacher performance evaluation and real-time feedback mechanisms and improve the student retention and engagement analytics and some of the features. There are some of the case studies to implement the data science in action. How it can improve the student performances, such as predictive analytics. It has been utilized in the schools to identify the risk student. That means based upon the student analyzing performances, you can identify the underperforming students or weak students. That is the effective action you can using by the data science tools in the our analysis and everything. You can, based upon that analysis, you can identify the weaker students who are the underperforming students in the academic activities. That is the best case study and feature using by the data science in action into the academic transformation and personalized learning experiences. Nowadays, everyone growing and improving their techniques and skills day by day. And industry needs. There is some gap between the academic structure and industry structure. Based on that, you can gain some knowledge, personalized learning paths also to fulfill the academic gap to the industry gap. And curriculum development. And it can using by the shaping the curriculum design very effectively, analyzing the student performances, feedback and process, and educator process, and teachers feedback, and faculty feedback. And based upon that, this feedback analysis, you can improve our teaching strategies. And based on that, you can modify or manage and effectively design the curriculum development. And resource allocation. You can optimize the resources and you can allocate the effectively and efficiently usage of the resources to implement the academic activities into our institutions or learning paths. And next one, teacher performance evaluation. It can be evaluating our teacher-centric methods. What are the teachers following to the teaching techniques and methodologies practices through the analytics on the student progress. Based upon that, you can engage the different metrics. You can implement the different performance metrics, analyzing the student performances and everything. And next one is the real-time feedback mechanisms. Based upon that, ongoing classes or after class ending of the classes, you can take the feedback and implement the different type of feedback mechanisms. It can enable the creation of the real-time feedback mechanisms for both students and teachers and improve the student retention. and you can gain the student attention very easily. By identifying the factors leading to the dropouts, schools can implement the proactive measures and support the students throughout their educational journey and everything. And engagement analytics. It can involve the different levels. What are the real time and provide the insights into the teaching methods and everything. These are some of the overcoming implementation challenges to transform our structure into the traditional into the data science. First is the resistance. How students or faculty adapt the new methods and technologies. In previous days and nowadays also, so many of the following the traditional methods only. They don't convert the new methods and technologies into our academic structure. That means resistance. What is the capabilities of students? What are the capabilities of faculty to gain the knowledge, understanding the knowledge and methods, techniques to implement or uses the academic structure to improve our academic policies? That is the resistance power. Faculty, what level of faculty they have to adapt the and changing the structure? That is called resistance. What is the biggest challenge to implement the or converting our structure into the data science and new ones and modern ones? And next one is the data privacy. Student data is a very sensitive information. That is also one of the biggest challenge you can providing the data privacy and security to converting our structure into the data science purpose, and that means machine learning purposes and everything. And next one, need for the technological updates. And previous days and nowadays also so many institutions using by the old methods and old technologies. They don't upgrade their labs also. In labs also facilities and lab systems and everything also using by the old technologies and old ones also. They're upgrading, implementing the data science effectively. That means upgrading new technologies and new trends, upgrading of our methods and structure and everything. That is also one of the biggest challenge or issue to converting the structure into the academic, data science point of view. That means using by some modern tools and techniques, upgrading of technology. That is also one of the biggest challenge or issue to implement the structure very effectively. And next one is the engagement and training. That is the one of the crucial impact aspect also. Student engagement and training, such as the stakeholders and workshops and everything, seminars, how you can engaging the students in a particular type of activities using by these tools and techniques. And training of the students or training of the faculty also one of the biggest issue to implementing or using by the new techniques or data science tools or using by the anything and everything. And nowadays markets also so many tools are available, but some of students also don't know aware about the tools also. How it can easily upgrade it. They don't know also. There is the engagement and training activities. And next one, creating a culture of data driven and based upon the decision makings, how it can overcoming the implementing the challenges. That is also one of the crucial issue. Cultural structure and data driven approaches, following of the systematic approach. That is also one of the biggest challenge to converting the structure into the new one and implementing the new policies and using by the data science tools and any other modern technologies and tools and everything. These are some of the biggest issues for strategies for the successful implementation. Resistance and data privacy and need for technology upgradation and student engagement training activities for the faculty and creating a systematic approach to follow the data science tools and methods, and that is also one of the biggest challenge. And there are the different tools and technologies in education data sciences using by. I am giving some of these little examples. What is the data visualization software and machine learning platforms, analytic dashboards, and learning management systems and data cleaning tools. These are not limited. So many also available in our online and websites and everything. Data visualization software such as the Tabula and Power BI allows the educators to transform the complex data sets into the visual formats like graphs and charts. In Tabula and Power BI software is the data visualization software. It can converting our data into the some easily manner in the graphs and charts and very easy. And some of the machine learning platforms using by the different libraries are available, and TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, Pandas, NumPy, and everything. Based upon that, you can predict the data very easily, and you can build the structure data models very easily, and you can build the curriculum design using by these platforms and these library files. Using by this programming structure, you can design our curriculum structure very easily, data designing models and everything. And analytic dashboards. And using by these dashboards, that means Google Analytics or Microsoft Power BI Analytics, very effectively using by the single interface manner. It can provide the beautiful insights and creation of the student engagements and course performances and institutional effectiveness and facilitating the informed decision making and everything. Using by these tools, Google Analytics or Microsoft Power BI or any other analytic dashboards, it can display the student performances or teacher performances in some performance measure metrics and statistic wise, in subject wise or group wise or branch wise, and it can analyze the individual student dashboards or individual faculty dashboards. Based upon that, it is available of the performance metrics and statistics. You can improve our methods and teaching techniques, and you can suggest the student who are the weak students and who are the underperforming students and which area they are lacking. You can identify easily using by these analytic dashboards and everything. And learning management systems. So many of them using, and so many of the students also not using these learning management systems also. That means Moodle, Canvas, and some other ICT tools, so many tools are available in the marketing, but so many institutes are not adapting these tools also for implementing their effective teaching methodologies also. And data cleaning tools like Open, Refine, and other data cleaning tools also very easily. You can adapting and utilizing our academic structure. These are some of the examples, but not limited. So many is available in our marketing trends and features and everything. So many tools are available. Visualization tools, or machine learning platforms, dashboards, and LMS tools, and data cleaning tools. These are the effectively tools and technologies you can implement. Our data science means you can definitely achieve some growth into the transforming our data, academic transformation. And what are some of the ethics and privacies in the academic data usage? What are the ethics you have to follow for implementing and adapting the new methods and technologies and everything? Importance of ethical data usage in the education. That means data privacy and providing data security, using of the data effectively, some ethical purpose in that only. And protection of student privacy, providing the privacy and responsible data management practices and ethical consideration in the data science applications and everything. This is plays a crucial role in the education point of view. Ethical data usage, providing data privacy and data management practices and ethical considerations. These are some ethics and privacy in the academic data usage. The last one is plays a crucial role in the academic considerations to adapt the data science applications, etc. There are some of the benefits are collaborative learning through the data insights, enhancing the engagement and share the knowledge and real-time feedback and improve the problem solving skills and increasing the technologies and everything, and improving the skill development and encouragement of the peer learning and stronger educational tools, and using by the different methods and technologies, diversing insights and critical thinking and everything. These are some of the benefits you are implementing or using by the data science tools and techniques into the our academic transformation. And best engagement. We can create the beautiful structure, beautiful facilities. You can creating by the student gathering of the student attention, and students have to pay their interviewing of the acceptance and everything. Collaborative work and sharing the knowledge and framing the groups and everything. Single perspectives and group perspectives and everyone. And taking by the feedback and everything. And solving skills, improving the problem solving skills and very effectively and easily, and seeing individual ones and group together ones. You can assign the different tasks, single ones and group tasks and everything. Increasing the data sets and their capabilities and thinking levels and critical thinking levels, and development of the skill development skills and peer learning, and some other also is there. There are some of the future trends and methods we can converting our structure into the new era. Increasing of the AI tools. Now in market so many AI tools are available, ChatGPT or Gemini and other everything. It can reduce our faculty workload also using by the AI tools effectively to implement our teaching practices and student learning practices using by the AI tools. It can also play a crucial role, but some of the disadvantages also is there, but so many advantages also is there. Comparing to the disadvantages, so many advantages there using by the AI tools. And personalized learning technologies and everything. And data-driven instructional practices you can implement very easily in our future era. You can using by some AI tools effectively and efficiently. This is the following are some performance metrics, identifying the KPIs, key performance indicators. What are the student key areas? And what are the data-driven approaches for fulfilling these KPIs? Based upon the student trends and needs and student key areas, based upon that you can KPIs, identify the KPIs, you can implement that the data-driven. Basically, automatically you can successfully implementing our transformation strategies into the student's point of view also. These are the basic steps following of the academic institutions to implement our data science transformation. First, assessment of the current capabilities. We are converting the data science into the academic transformation. First, we have to identify the assessment capabilities, student capabilities and student assessment and everything. Engagement of the stakeholders. Who are the stakeholders involved to develop and train the faculties and students and everything. And designing of the curriculum development. And investment in the technology and tools. And faculty training and development. And collaboration and partnerships. And establishing the research opportunities. And monitoring and evaluation. And sustainability and future growth. These are the basic steps to follow academic institutions. They have to easily implement the data science tools. There is a roadmap for the academic institutions to effective data science integration, to collaborating with the data science tools and everything. They have to follow these basic steps. Assessment of the current capabilities and engagement of stakeholders and curriculum development and investment in technology and tools and training and development, collaboration and partnerships, establishing research opportunities, monitoring and evaluation, and sustainability and growth and everything. And finally, I conclude that my session is that you have to unlocking the academic potential with the data science tools. You can elaborate and you can evaluate the different tools to our academic structure. You can easily implement the different methods and tools to improve our academic structure. Thank you, madam. I conclude my session.
Thank you, sir. Any queries? Any queries from faculties? Sir, shall we move to the vote of thanks, sir?
Okay, madam. Okay, thank you.
I would like to invite Tirupati, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Madurai Gandhi, NMR Subramanian College for Women, to deliver vote of thanks.
Good evening all. This is Revati, Assistant Professor, Department of CS and BCA from Madurai Gandhi, NMR Subramanian College for Women. Respected Principal, Vice Principal, Administrative Officer, esteemed guests and all other faculties, on behalf of our Computer Science Department, it is my honor and privilege to extend my heartfelt gratitude for all your presence and participation in this special occasion of 5 days faculty development program on empowering academic transformation through data science, organized by the Department of CS and BCA, Madurai Gandhi NMR Subramanian College for Women, in collaboration with SK Research Group of Companies. I would like to begin by expressing our special thanks to our esteemed management for their unwavering support. I extend our sincere and gratitude to our Principal and Head Department of CS and BCA, Dr. K.S. Gomati ma'am, for her guidance and encouragement leadership. Her constant guidance radiated a source of energy within us. We will ever remain grateful to you and we thank you for being with us, ma'am. I most humbly thank to our Vice Principal and Head Department of Commerce, Dr. S. Mahima ma'am, for her exceptional leadership, guidance and motivation. A special mention goes to our Administrative Officer and Head Department of English, Mrs. N.S. Srireka ma'am, for her mentorship and guidance. I would like to record our deep sense of obligation to SK Research Group of Companies for their timely and technical support. I feel that my words may not be enough to express sense of gratitude to our speakers. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Dr.Konda Krishna, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, School of Computing, Mohan Babu University, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. His vast experience spanning over 2 decades, distinguished academic and research achievements and commitment to empowering educators have earned this program immensely. His insights into data science provided valuable knowledge and inspiration to all participants. We sincerely thank him for his valuable and dedication and expertise in fostering academic excellence. Once again, I would like to record my heartfelt thanks to all other speakers of this 5-day faculty development program. Ms. V. Rekha, Assistant Professor, Department of BCA, Akurjan Manmul Jain College, Chennai. Dr. B. Soumya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, SIVET College, Chennai. Dr. Priyambada Sharma, Associate Professor, Department of AI and ML, Oriental Institute of Science and Technology, Bhopal. Mrs. R. Ilavarasi, Adjunct Faculty, Department of Computer Science, Alagappa Institute of Skill Development, Karaikudi. At last, I am very much thankful to all our faculties and non-teaching staff members who always stand by us and motivate us. I hope you all have enriched your knowledge to the next level by attending this 5 days FDP. I feel proud and thank you for making this event a successful one. Once again, I thank you all.
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.